Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you today? So today we done a cutting in a garden. So we cut the grass today. It was a bit messy. It was evening time. My husband done it. So we went in a garden. My daughter was swinging on the swings. So these were the boxes we made for the plants, but we never put plant. We never done planting. We just made the boxes. So yeah, this is a garden. So since the winter started, we cut it the first time today. So yeah, now it was a dinner time. So I was gonna prepare some roast chicken. So this is how I make roast. Not too much, not too less. So I got chicken. I'm gonna put some black pepper, garlic powder in there, 1.5 spoon over. Yeah, some salt. And next, I was gonna get something. I reckon. Yeah, now I'm gonna put a little bit sunflower oil in there. I know how much I put, but you guys just put 2 spoons of oil in there. I just put this much in there. Now I'm gonna mix it all properly. I washed my hands before I do all of that. So yes, now I'm gonna mix it all properly. So now I have mixed it all well properly, like as you can see. Now I'm gonna cut some potatoes. So what we do, some people do is they just cut the potatoes, put wherever they need to put it on, like parsley, butter, salt and pepper, and they just put it in the oven. But we just do it a bit different. We boil them first. I'm gonna cut them into the 4 pieces in a minute. Then I'm gonna put in the oven. I already forgot about making that video when I put in the oven. So now I'm peeling the potatoes off. Now I'm gonna cut the potatoes for the roast, chicken roast. This is how we cut it. Potato was quite big, so I made it like that. Some people cut it different way. We cut it this way. It's all depend. So now I'm nearly finished to cutting the potatoes off. Now I'm gonna wash them properly, and I'm gonna put them on the gas. So yeah, these are the oven trays. On here, I'm gonna put the chicken. I made burgers first, so I thought foil wasn't that bad. So I thought I'm gonna put the chicken at the same tray. I'm gonna roast the chicken now. So that's how we do it. So you can see on the gas over there is a pot. Potatoes are boiling in there. We make very plain chicken for just for home, like just for us at home. When we know somebody else is coming round, then we make like tandoori chicken, different chicken, roast chicken. But just for us, we make very plain food. We don't eat too many masala and all that. After I done that, I what I do is, the like hand towels in the kitchen, those and my chapati towels. When they get dirty, like two of them, I just put them in a hot water and a little bit surf in there. Means washing powder, and I just put them in a hot water for overnight, overnight. So this was the evening time. Mother done it in the morning, so they was done. I for might as well quickly rinse them out and put them for a drying, because like this I can save my little bit time as well, so I don't have to do it in the morning time, because in the morning time it's very hectic sometimes. Don't want to do much, but still there is lots to do. Work is never ends. Guys. So guys, I wanted to seriously say, if you like the video, then like, share and subscribe, please. Share it as much as you can, please, for me. It's very important. And subscribe the channel for me, please, if you like. And if there is any changes I should make, please let me know, and comment at the same time. Let me know how do I make the videos, how's my editing, my voiceover. If anything I need to change, you think, then let me know. And this one we bought from Peppa Pig World. She's got loads of them, like Peppa Pig ones and Minion ones. These are very good. Like when a kid's eating lollipop and they drop it on the floor and that's it. So this is the thing. You can see this blue button, this one. So I'm gonna put it up. It's gonna open like that and EA. So when kids finish, they release the button off and they don't stop eating. And just in case if it drops on the floor, it don't get dirty. Look, it was nice. It's a nice thing to share. I will share something else in another video, and thank you for watching, guys.